The expressions are formed by using variables and constant terms. First of all, what is meant by a constant and what is meant by a variable? The constants are values that are not changing or that are not varying. They are called as constant. That is, they have fixed values. They are called as constants. The examples are days in a week are 7 days only, and the days in a month are always either 28, 30 or 31 days depending upon the month, and the days in a year are either 365 or 366 days depending upon the month, either it is a leap year or non-leap year. The days are fixed, and the numbers like integers, rational numbers, natural numbers all are having their own face values. That is, -1 is having always 1 as its face value, -2 is having -2 as its face value. Like this one, all the numbers are having their own face value. They are not changing. That's why these all are comes under the examples of constants. And we are going to discuss the variable. The variables are nothing but if the values are changing or the values are varying, then they are called as variables. If the value is not same all the time, then they are called as variables. The examples are the price of an object, that is the price of a pen or a pencil, like this one, or sugar, like any item. The values are not fixed all the time. It may changes year by year or month by month. And the age of a person is also not fixed. It is also changing year by year. Like this one, these all comes under variables and these all comes under examples. The constants are they have fixed values. The variables are they are having changing values. These are examples for the constants and variables. To denote the variables, we use the terms like small x, small y, small z or small a, B, C, like this one we use to denote the expressions, variables. We are going to form expressions by using the variables and the consonants. For example, if we are using the consonants to form a expression, then it is called as numerical expression. Here we are using two numbers only, that's why it is called as numerical expressions. The sum of 3 plus 5 is nothing but a numerical expression. If we are forming an expression by using the variables and the consonants, then it is called as algebraic expression. For example, 4x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. And some other examples are 3x square plus y, 5y minus 10. Like this one we can form expressions.